The passage includes the following sentence. After it digs in, however, it is much more difficult to dislodge, for its head actually becomes buried in the skin. In this sentence, the word dislodge means A. Pierce the skin, B. Remove, C. Display, or D. Feed. To understand the meaning of dislodge, we need to look at the context. The previous sentence tells us that if the victim feels something at this point, the tick is easily brushed off. In our sentence, we have a contrast clue, with our signal word being the word however, indicating to us that whatever we read in the previous sentence, this sentence is the opposite. Because the first sentence says that the tick can be easily brushed off, we know that in our sentence we are going to encounter the opposite. In other words, if it's difficult to dislodge, it must mean it's difficult to remove. Based on this, we can head down to our choices and select B, remove, as our final answer.